how to fix LogiOptions Plus not detecting your MX Master 4. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this issue. There's a couple different things I'm going to go through, so stick about because one of these solutions may fix your issue. So the first thing I suggest is uninstalling the software and then reinstalling it. The next thing you want to try is going into your system settings, going into Bluetooth, and making sure your MX4 is connected to your Bluetooth. You also want to check that there isn't anything interfering with your Bluetooth connection, like another mouse or a controller or anything like that. The next thing you can try is doing a factory reset on the mouse itself. So what you need to do is pick the mouse up, flip it upside down, just flick the switch to turn it off, leave it off for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. If you're using the Logi Bolt receiver, you need to make sure that it is within range and there is nothing interfering with the signal. So if it's still not working, you can try going into system settings, scroll down to privacy and security, now scroll down again to Bluetooth, and you want to make sure that LogiOptions Plus and the plugin service are both toggled on. Now click back and go to accessibility and do the same. Go back again, go down to input monitoring and make sure that is toggled on as well. If it's still not working, go to Bluetooth, click this symbol here next to the mouse and press forget this device and then repair it. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if anything helped.